Phyllis, after reading what you had to say about the work-life balance of educational leaders, I really sat and started to question my own work-life balance, because I know when I go back to when I was a teacher, I had my own kids at school, and I was apt to spend long hours at school knowing that they were there and I was helping to provide for what they were a part of. And that was years leading up to when they were in school and when they were at the high school level, well, middle school and high school, because I taught them 7th through 12th grade. And so when I switched to my new position and I'm in leadership now, I started thinking about the time that I spend, and just being careful and mindful of any time that I spend online or working when I'm at home. And so through this job, I've really been creative with time, trying to spend early mornings, working, so that I can spend time doing things that maybe popped up at night and I need to take care of it. I can do those early morning, right before I get in the car to go to work, after I'm ready, my kids are still getting ready, and I'm waiting on my son to deliver him to school. And so that's been helpful to really work on that work-life balance. And that is very important to me, because I see the importance of spending quality time with my husband and my son now that my girls are grown and in college.